Today's story is about honesty, kindness, and doing the right thing.
Oh, someone must have dropped this. I should check if there is an ID. Oh, this is ID.
Oh no, where did I drop my wallet? My ID, my money, everything is inside.
Excuse me, are you looking for something?
Yes, I lost my wallet. It's brown and small.
I think this might be yours.
Thank you so much. Everything is inside. You saved my day.
I'm glad I could help. Anyone would do the same.
Honesty is a simple act, but it can make someone's whole day better. Always choose kindness.
If you like this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.